Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Salini and I am from Bihar and I help you to speak English fluently with confidence and without any hesitation. So guys, I was getting a lot of messages of English learners. They want to know how to become an English pro, how to become fluent in English. Okay, like how to speak English like a pro. So guys, in this video I am going to share everything that will help you become an pro English speaker. So guys, don't worry, you can speak English like a pro. Just watch this video and you are going to speak. Guys, the first thing to remember is that becoming an English pro does not mean you need to memorize grammar rules or any long vocabulary lists. Okay? No, I'm not going to tell you that go and start learning about grammar rules and this and that. No. Guys, there is no pressure to learn grammar rules. Okay, you can become an English pro without them. Okay, so how the main thing is how, so I will share that in this video. Okay, and I have done it myself and I speak English without any grammar pressure. So just like me, you can also speak without any grammar rules. Okay, so guys, I know exactly what you feel because it is very, very, like, it is very uh painful to remember grammar rules. Who who want to learn grammar rules? Nobody wants. Even I also now never want to learn grammar rules. I just want to speak English without any grammar pressure. So I think you also want, right? Guys, when I started speaking English, I hated grammar. I would stress about where to use is, where to use could, where to use should, or when to use the. So it was really overwhelming, very frustrating. I know. I know you might feel the same way about grammar rules. So that is why I found an easy way out, and we can do anything because yeah, we can uh, speak English without any grammar. Okay. So I'm sure you have also felt overwhelmed by grammar rules, and that's why I thought why not share this with you. So I'm going to share the trick, okay, so that you can speak in, English without any grammar pressure. So how can you speak English without getting stuck in grammar rules? So I'm going to tell you two super helpful tips. Okay. So number one is speak. Speak as much as you can. So the first thing is SPEAK. Speak. Okay. You have to speak. The more you speak, the more you will get comfortable with English. The more you will addicted to English. And yeah, don't worry about making mistakes. You just have to speak. Okay, you can speak with your friends, you can speak with your family, or you can speak with even with yourself. You can talk to yourself just like a uh, your favorite person. Just don't worry that I am alone, I have no friends, I have no one to speak. No, you can talk to yourself. Okay, so there is no problem if you have no friends and no one to talk. You can talk to yourself. Okay, because I also have no any friends, and that's why I talk to myself. Okay, so yeah, you can talk to yourself. So you have to speak regularly. Okay, you have to speak regularly. So this is the first thing you have to do. And second thing, you have to listen. You have to listen and mimic. So what you have to listen? You have to listen native English speakers, how they talk in movies. You can watch movies and listen. You can watch podcasts and listen. So just you have to mimic how they are pronouncing the word. Okay, and in this way, it will help you to pick up English naturally without thinking about grammar rules. So this is the another thing. Okay, so guys, these are the special tips I shared with you, and I just do the same, and I don't care about grammars. I just watch them and my mind automatically get that, okay, I have to use this in here, I have to use this here. So you have to do the same thing. And yeah, I am telling you one more thing, which is a secret that will take you English level to pro. And you have to do one thing. You just have to choose any simple topic, any interesting topic you like. It could be your favorite food, your weekend plans, anything around you, your table, your book, your shoe, your kitchen. Just go to your kitchen and pick any topic like plate, bowl, spoon, any topic. Okay, and you just have to speak about it for on that topic for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, you just start with speaking 1 minute, then increase your time 2 minutes, then 3 minutes, then 5 minutes. Okay, and just don't care about grammar mistakes and any mistakes. You just have to speak, and you have to record it in your phone. Okay, and then you have to listen to the native speaker on the same topic, or you can search on chat gpt or ai uh, uh, about that topic in easy language. Okay, and then you have to read what is about that topic, and then you have to listen your recorded video or recorded voice uh, back, and then you can improve that. Okay, I can make this sentence here, I can make this sentence here, like this. Okay, so in this way you will improve a lot. Okay, and trust me guys, if you do even this much, if you put in a little bit of effort, just a little bit of hard work, I think your English will become really good. You won't have to worry about grammar. Okay, and yeah, it will take your time like half an hour or an hour, but your English will improve a lot just by doing these things. And you won't have to stress about grammar. You will learn new things and your vocabulary list will improve on its own, and you will see improvement. So guys, please try this. I do it myself, and I really enjoy it because I like speaking English. Whatever activity I do, it's fun. It's fun for me. So guys, if you are determined to improve your English, you won't get bored at all. You will also enjoy it if you do it. So yeah, you just have to follow these things and you are going to be fluent very soon. So yeah, just change your mindset and just start working on it, and you are going to speak. And it is not any big deal guys, you can do it, you can definitely do it. So before going to bed, you can speak 1 minute. So you just have to make time for it. Okay, and yeah, it is going to be very interesting for you. So that's all for today's video, and thank you so much guys for watching, and please do follow these things because I want you to be fluent in this language. I can't see you struggling that I'm not able to speak English. I stumble a lot. I don't know how to speak. I have no friends. I have no environment. Just don't say this. Don't be like this, guys. You can alone speak English. Alone you can speak English. Don't need any friend. You just have to practice. You just have to speak, and you are going to be fluent. Okay. So guys, I encourage you to do these things. Again, I am telling you, don't care about mistakes, don't care about grammar rules, and yeah, you can you can speak. I am still struggling guys. I see, I am telling speech to speak. Okay, sorry, you have to speak English fluently and you can do this. So guys, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching and uh, joining me in this journey. Guys, please support my channel because without your support I can't reach 1000 subscribers, because I have to monetize my channel also guys. So please, you can definitely subscribe to my channel because you can subscribe my channel. So please do it, it's a treat. So don't be selfish and just subscribe my channel, And i'm not I'm not telling you that, I'm not giving you any pressure. It's your mood. Okay. So that's it. So thank you so much, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye. Keep speaking, keep learning, and all the best.